about crypto. Shukri, what's going on in the crypto world? What's Bitcoin at the moment, mate? Do you know?
Coinbase listing 14th. So I'll show you, but there's another event on the 14th. I'll remind again because some might have forgotten. So, okay, so let's look at Bitcoin again. Again, starting to challenge the all-time highs again. But this is what Bitcoin does, guys. Bitcoin loves to do this. Look, it was coolly defending this. It slipped below and then slipped up again, blowing away 850 million. It likes to blow out accounts. It likes to liquidate accounts. So this is another gotcha, right? And then it's now challenging this. If it breaks the all-time high here, this will go to 73. But the most important thing is Ethereum here. Ethereum has broken the all-time high. Now, I am buying this, but here's the deal. I am not trading this. There's a lot of news on Ethereum that is going to be used as the main, the technology and all this is going to go to 10,000. And if it does, and if I believe it, why would I want to trade it? And my main reason here is a girl named Beth. And this is very important. If I buy Ethereum for staking, what I would do is just dollar cost average down or up. I will stake it in something like Binance. I will get Beth. Beth represents that Ethereum, and I can trade Beth within that ecosystem. I can get rewards within that ecosystem. So it's as if my Ethereum didn't go anywhere. And I think that's a good deal because this, Paul, this takes me out of the issue of going out and then having to go back in again, right? I'm like, okay, I'm just going to ride this thing. The next thing is I'm going to tell you guys, can you guys be careful when you see Beth? Because if you go to Huobi, you can't do this. You got to do this in Binance. So, you got to do your research, but it's a great way for me to just hold on to the position while not losing my capital. And I can protect it if I want to also.
Let me see if I've got this straight, Shukri. I was taken away for a second there, but you're going to buy Ethereum and you're going to stake it? What does that mean?
I'm going to stake it. I'm going to keep it in a vault. It's in Binance. I'm going to earn interest for it. If I'm not mistaken, it's 8% per annum. Okay, so that's done. Let me draw here. Okay, get it right. This is a good question. You guys really need to understand this because it's something new. It's like DeFi 2.0. So here's my Ethereum here, right? And it's gone. It's in a lock now. I can't touch it. That's it. Yep. It's gone for about 2 years.
I'm getting 8% for that, right?
8% for that. Now in Binance and in Huobi.
Can I lose it? I can't lose it on.
No. It's there.
And it's worth whatever. It's not worth a set amount in there. It's worth what the value of Ethereum is.
Yes, at that time.
Ethereum goes up, I make money. For the value of Ethereum, I lose money.
Yes.
But either way, I get 8%, right?
Correct. Now here's the thing. 8% per year. Now here's the thing. This is important. Once you stake it there, you get something called Beth. It's the same as this. But I can use the Beth again to trade within Binance. I can do that. I can change it to real.
So this is like B-grade Ethereum.
Yes.
B-grade Ethereum, right? It's B-grade. So there's Ethereum. I've got a stake that's locked over here.
Yes.
So they're going to try to credit or B-grade Ethereum, which I can still use. So I'm getting 8%. Plus, I can still use my Ethereum to trade.
Yes, and you can stake things in Binance and get rewards. Also, you can do whatever you want. I think this is cool. This is great. Yep. Because this makes it simple for people like us, Paul, because the people who are clever, they got this locked and that's it because they were very clever. Now Binance is good because they call for, hey, we don't know how, we can't set up a machine. We don't know how to do this. So Binance said, okay, if you stake it, I'm going to give you Beth and you can do whatever you want within the Binance ecosystem. And Paul, this is what's happening. Last week we saw the same thing with Kusama.
1 Ethereum equals 1 Beth?
It's about the same. It's like 0.8, 0.9. Yeah.
So I put my $1,000 into Binance.
Yes.
I lock it away in a vault. And they give me $80 a year for
okay.
8%.
Okay. One moment for that. Let me draw this. Let me draw this, Paul. Okay, you put $1,000 here, right? Okay, this is easy. Well, whatever currency, New Zealand or Aussie, it doesn't matter because with Binance you can bring it down. You can stake very low. Okay, so you get like 8% per year, right? So this is gone, finished. You can't touch it. But in return, you will get like something called, what do you call this? Okay, say you stay in New Zealand, D this, and then you get BNZD. This is not the same. This is about $900.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can't use this in Australia. You can't go to Ainslie and buy dinner for her with this. It's not going to work.
$900 cover dinner for Ainslie, to be honest.
It's a very expensive exercise.
you can only use this within Binance. It's like only that. And for here, you can buy other tokens also. You can even stake this thing again, BNZD here, and get other things. It's up to you. So it's like this didn't go anywhere. It's still there.
Let me ask you a question, Shukri, because this looks too good to be true. Can it fall over, or is it secure?
Is it secure? It's secure. And if you see that, what's happening now? Now, I like why Binance is doing this, because look, the DeFi hub is Akala. That's from your country, Paul. That's not good news, okay? That's not good for you, okay? Because for us, we can buy Akala. I'm sorry, Paul, you can't. Okay? Now, the good thank you to the Kiwis. Now, look, Akala is doing the same thing. They're saying, if you put your Kusama here, we're going to give you El Kusama, and you can trade on an exchange here. This can be capital for your exchange. It doesn't go anywhere.
Okay, I sort of got it. It sort of makes sense to me from a banking point of view, because what they're really saying is, like the bank, right? If we've got $1,000 of your money, we'll lend you $1,000.
Yes, correct.
You know, we've got security over here, so therefore we can lend you this money to do this. We'll pay you a little bit over here. The difference here is that you don't have the bank saying, well, we'll pay you 8% and charge you 15%.
Correct.
This is, you can go over here and answer the money, but this is the security. If Ethereum crashes, well, you take your medicine, don't you?
Well, if you can hedge this out here with this guy, right? You can do that too. You can short this position here on an exchange. But I don't know what you want to do that, but that's possible. But Ash would probably want to do that because he likes hedging, right? So that's cool.
And
it's up to you.
I've got to keep going, mate, because we've got lots of guys waiting. Cool. What else? Something else you got to remind us. 2 more minutes to wind her up, Shukri.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just accumulating Ethereum. That's it.
You're accumulating Ethereum. Nice. Now, Crypto Saturn's underway for the long-term regulars. That small group, they're going to work together. Crypto Moon guys are doing some stuff, and we'll have a chat. We're going to start and do a bit of a new crypto stuff in a couple of weeks when you've had a bit of a break, right? It's pretty full on.
Yeah, but it's good, you know, guys. This is back to 2017. The big blockchains are coming back, so you know it's good because there's new things now.
That's it's fascinating, because I didn't even know there was more than one blockchain, but that is that is cool, Shukri. Thank you, mate. I learned something.